Sends it outside, Raymundo knocks.
Now, yan yung Binyan.
13 puntos ang lamang. Fuentes, third. Gonzalez, step back jumper. Book it!
Are taking the shot when it reaches roughly.
Oh, Rafa Curva! This is a mild surprise. Poypoy Aktum coming in, facing that Aktum attempt.
Oh, wow.
But the follow-up by Poypoy Aktum on the shot clock of the Huskers. Oh my goodness!
That goes for Binyan.
Gustong manumbalik doon sa national, hinahayaan niya.
Oh!
Doon ngayon, saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan nyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating. Yan, Coach Mike.
Right on, Monsandagon. He scores.
Ikaw, Coach Boyet.
Yung makapatake nila dito on the block, on the low block rather. Kampanan. Entry pass intended to Will Gozo. Nag-goal book. Still no go. Lagrama hits the deck. Goes at the post. Gabayni making his move. Got wrapped up. But Kinpayan will not get off a shot.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays.
LJ Gonzalez and Judel Fuentes with Joseph Gabayni, Gampanan.
Especially this season where teams have really nakataon na gusto mo mangyari. So ikaw si Coach Boyet, yung makapasok ka sa loob ng paint at makuha mo ang isang Mark Pingris na siya na ang Joseph Gabayni is going to be a challenge. Wadya kagad sila sa mga 3-point shooters nitong Quezon Huskers.
Bonifacio sends it outside. Raymundo knocks down a three.
Now, yan yung action na sinasabi natin.
May Pingris. LJ drives. Pocket pass. Hindi nasalo ng maayos pero the recovery more impressive and the finish from Banal puts it on the deck. Balik kay Gabayni. The nice help defense. The rejection from Roca Curva. And in transition, Lastimosa scores.
Talaga mo si Joseph Gabayni. Pero ang ganda ng tulong sa depensa. Ito kay Gabayni na naman sila. Late ang rotation on the sa baba ni Carlo Lastimosa.
Under 6 minutes left in the first quarter. Bonifacio high, arcing three. And extends the opportunity. Lastimosa, skip pass, Raymundo. It will bounce out. He gets another crack at it. And this time, he buries the tray from the left wing.
Wow! May nando sa kabila na nagbabantay. Si Warren Bonifacio lang, hinahayaan niya.
Oh!
Block!
Sent back to the friend zone by Pinoy Sakuragi was Minerva. A second remaining on the shot clock. Mintis pa rin si Judel Fuentes. Sa poste sila pupunta kay Carlo Lastimosa laban kay LJ Gonzalez. Bonifacio, no hesitation! How about that? Second three from Warren Bonifacio.
All season long, they are taking good care of that paint. So kung sino man ang pumapasok dyan na naka-jersey ng kulay itim.
This is a mild surprise. Poypoy Aktum coming in for Binyan to close out the first quarter. Abundo having trouble. Shot no good, but the follow-up is in.
Ngayon itong mga bataan ni Coach Boyet.
JJ Pino straight to the cup.
You know what? Which I guess is a good indication of anong klaseng depensa ang binibigay nitong Binyan.
Tagle erasing that Aktum attempt.
Oh, wow.
But the follow-up by Poypoy Aktum. His first field goal in for Quezon. Altamsi, the finger roll with a left-hand finish. Saan muna si Poypoy Aktum. Bam Lopez able to shake off Altamsi and kissing it off the glass and in. 5 seconds left on the shot clock of the Huskers. Oh my goodness! The rejection and the stare down from Poypoy Aktum.
There's one snippet o picture ng kung anong klaseng laro ang binibigay ng Binyan loob ng paint. Yan na yun eh. Dalawang player ang sumabay. And this is definitely a shot that they needed. Kaban din eh, no?
Siyempre, Betista yan eh.
Oo naman.
Ito, galing Mapua. Warren. Campanal. Entry pass intended to Will Gozo. Nagkabulbul sila ni Mike Maestre from the line. Actually, Binyan has yet to make one.
Yeah.
Steal though by Joshua Yero. Sidestep. Lays it up and in.
Yan ang medyo challenge para sa Binyan.
Lead of theirs. Still up by 10 against Quezon. Sa poste, Abundo fading away over Pamboy Raimundo.
They really have to make adjustments in terms of efficiency, speaking of the Huskers.
Nakalusot si Roa Curva, who was able to cross. Ating second period, Fuentes is free for a free. Still no go. Lagrama hits the deck. And the second quarter comes to a close. Binyan who threw the first punch. Never relinquished the lead. In fact, the closest that Quezon has gotten since they had that big lead dito sa ating post-bonching, having a very intense conversation with, I believe, Coach Nash Racela. Dahil may nagaganap kanina dun sa ating bleacher section where some of the fans got into it. Incident to happen here. This has been a fiercely fought series. Mergel Alonte trying to pacify si Boss Bonching Talisayon.
Final, samantalang ito naman Quezon gustong manumbalik dun sa National Finals, and Mark Pingris, that's the second loy nitong Binyan.
13 puntos ang lamang. Fuentes drains the jumper, but Pamboy Raimundo closed out on that shot.
Ang tanong dyan
natin
oh yeah, wala nga palang pita. We'll see that again. And drive. Oh, it was the other leg. It's not, hindi yung nag-kick na paa ni ni Judel.
May tendency na magtuloy-tuloy pero dahil nga mukhang he can't even walk under his own power. We're certainly hoping that it's nothing serious, pero talagang si Gab Panal ang inaatake nila dito on the block, on the low block rather. Panal standing his ground and he was able to force a jump ball.
Lakas rin ng katawan nito sa ibaba Oh wow.
Third triple from Pamboy Raimundo. Panal thought about it. Goes at the post, Kabaini making his move. Got wrapped up. Foul will be called.
Dito ramdam mo Ken yung nawala sa laro itong si LJ Gonzalez. Kung gaano ka-importanteng
Gonzalez. Tamsi straight away free. It's good. Approaching the halfway point of the third. Gonzalez step back jumper. Hook it from free. Magbuhos though.
They have as organized as ever. They continue this down or up in terms of the score. Can Coach Mike?
Maraming salamat, Mika. And that fits. Pagaran, crossover dribble, drives baseline, lays it up and in. Counted plus a foul. Estre papunta kay Bam Lopez. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Lopez forcing it up, no good. Gimpayan, the cleanup job. For Maestre, they have enough time, but Gimpayan will not get off a shot.
Kung may libreng tres sa kabila, ipapasa mo.
Bam Lopez, about similar spot where he hit.
Gumagamit ng oras ngayon. They are taking the shot when it reaches roughly below 10 seconds. That's when they start attacking.
Abundo. Here come the Quezon Huskers. First basket from the former MPBL.
Pasahan, misdirect, tapos sa final 10 seconds, doon sila magsisimulang umatake.
Another cut. Oh my goodness. Roa Curva.
Si Simon naman ang sabi, nung game 1, idol ko pa talaga si Kuya Coach Ping. Pero masyado niyang ginalingan sa series na to, di ko na muna siya idol ngayon. Saka na ulit. Ping said, abangan niyo ang dalawang yan. Talagang malayo ang mararating. Yan, Coach Mike.
Right on cue, Mika. Mark Ping is going right at Simon Sandagon. He scores. And a bonus free throw coming Abundo. Look at this move, Coach Mike.
And it's really the toughness of a Mark Pingris that keeps these guys intact and believing that they still got a shot at this against the Quezon Huskers. And never mong makikita, nagpapanik ang isang Mark Pingris kahit ilang defender na.
And has not returned since. Oh, Rafa Kurva with an acrobatic finish!
Oh my God, top speed. Woo. Hindi pat sa kanan, yun ang mabigat dun eh.
That is simply poetry in motion.
Tatlo yung dinaanan na depensa nun.
Lastimosa puts it on the deck. Runner by Carlo off the glass and in!
With double-digit rebound performance.
LJ knocks down a three. Still some life.
The Huskies, but dahil sa magandang pagtimo ni Pamboy, ito naging resulta para sa Binyan. Oh, wow!
LJ with his second three. Up.
Pamboy.
LJ loves it up. Will Gozom scores underneath. And Coach Boyet Fernandez will shoot. Raimundo to Corva. They have to cross the timeline. Intercepted by Gabanal. Swing pass. Gonzalez. The fake. The drive. Lays it up and in. Lead is down to 5.
That was a good
JJ Pido. Additional ball handler. Crossing the timeline. Lost it. Will Gozom got it back, but he will turn the ball over. 13 seconds left. LJ pulls up. Long three-pointer. Too strong. Tip in is good. 7.6 seconds left.
Kailangan pantayan mo yung intensity ng kalaban mo. Oh boy. Yes. There you go.
And he does. Timeout Quezon.
There's that pin in.
Altapsi.
That's the shot.
Oh! He misses! And that's gonna do it. Marin Bonifacio flirting with disaster, but for the second consecutive year, the South Division Final.
You don't like NBA basketball.